Hi everyone, my name is Chef Neelam and I wanted to invite you to a class that I'm teaching. It's called Masterclass with Chef Neelam, Unlock Your Child's Inner Chef. Now this class you will learn 3 secrets of mine that I've been using over the last 5 years to train thousands of kids on how to unlock their own inner chef. Now I have kids who are making dinner for their whole family. I have kids who are leading their families in breathing and meditation in the mornings. I have kids who have accomplished amazing things, and these are not special kids. These are everyday ordinary kids, but what happens is we have a secret sauce here at Bliss Belly Kitchen, and I want to share that with you. So I want to invite you to my master class, Unlock Your Child's Inner Chef, where you will learn 3 of my top secrets on how to train your child in a manner that is safe, clean, effective, fun, and tasty. So come on out. It's a class for both you and your child. Try this recipe. Rumi, what would your message be to kids out there about this, about cooking in general and about trying this recipe?
I think if you've never cooked before, it's a really fun and cool experience. And once you make the dish or whatever you're making, you feel really proud of yourself, and that makes me feel good. So, yeah, I guess that's my message.
Awesome. All right. Well, oh my God, it's so good.
I want to eat the whole thing.
I hear you. So come on by.